try again. We had everything right. It was just stupid. Yeet. No, jeez. Just kicking my ass. Ooh. I'm starting out on a new game. And this game is always such a hassle. Don't want to fight him. So basically I'm just waiting around for more enemies to spawn, and they start spawning a lot more the longer you wait because the difficulty goes up. So until then it's usually just like 1 or 2 every minute or so. Really boring. But Risk of Rain is one of those games that you can either beat in 20 minutes or you can kind of drag out and play for hours on end, just one game. And that's what I really like about it. It can be either really quick and just kind of fun for a few minutes, or you can distract yourself for the whole day. Still no chests, which kind of sucks. Ow. Swear to God, if the first boss that shows up is an overloading magma worm, I'm gonna cry. Especially since nothing is dropping boxes yet. Oh God. This kinda sucks. I'm getting nothing here. And the difficulty just went up. I'm level 4, so getting the banner is kinda useless at this point, but I'm still gonna get it. Come on. Give me something. Alright. This kind of sucks. If people weren't watching, I'd probably just start over to try to get a box sooner, but that's not fun to watch. Does it show where my relics are? I don't even know I have the right ones on. Okay. Okay. Usually I get a box on like the first 10 or 15 enemies, but this is just ridiculous. Okay. I'm gonna leave this area, because I can't fight him, especially with no boxes. Oh, and... oh, you know what? I can kill him. Oh, no, I can't. He teleports. That's terrifying. So I will go over here. And I'm okay. Nope, nope, nope. I'm almost dead. I'm gonna chill for a second because I don't feel like dying. Ooh, this is rough. Oh, okay, that's really bad. Okay. What I really want to happen is to have a swarm of Lemurians to follow me, but I'm just, you know what, this'll work. If I can get one box from these guys, I can make it work. Okay. Oh, okay. Nope, no, 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 please. This kind of sucks, honestly. I might end up dying. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna start that one over. I'm gonna check what relics I have on, because... okay. Sacrifice... I don't... yeah, I have everything on correct. That was weird. I've never gone that long without getting a box before. Watch me get it on the first enemy right now. Nope. Okay. That would have been amazing, though. This guy can teleport. Where? Why isn't he doing that? Nope. Come on, drop a box. Okay. You know, I tend not to get too frustrated with games, but this is honestly getting a little bit ridiculous. Not coming back. Jesus. And now no more enemies are spawning. That's cool. Yep. Oh, I can't get up there yet. Not without the Hapu feather. Let's hope this guy drops a box. I'd really love a red box. Okay. That's cool too. It's guaranteed that bosses always drop boxes. So if I can get to a boss, actually kill him, I can actually start getting some items, but chances of that are pretty low. This is insane. I usually have a couple items by now. Okay. Hopefully one of these guys will drop one. Oh, finally. Thank God. Okay. I'm gonna get... There we go. Banner. Now I'm gonna go over to an area that I can just kind of hunker down. Right here is fine. I'm not even gonna try to go down there because if I do, I'll probably die. Yeah. War banner best item. More Marines, yay. I like Lemurines. They're easy to kill and they get knocked back really well. And they're kind of cute. Don't want to go down there. Don't want to go up. Oh, he's gonna teleport to me, isn't he? If that happens, I don't want that to happen. Let me see if I can just kind of... Okay. I can probably kill him if I go back to the war banner for a bit. But this is gonna take a little while. Oh boy, buddy. I'd love a red box. But that's probably not gonna happen anytime soon. Yep. Yay. Now I get more healing. Let's see if I can get this. Okay. Okay, got him. Okay, everything's getting a little bit easier. I like Huntress because you don't really have to try too hard, but she's also not that fun. But you know. I just woke up. I don't feel like thinking and actually trying too much. Oh, that was weird. Ooh, use item. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Ooh, and another one of these. Yeah, I need attack speed. So that use item is really cool because it spawns a chest for me, free items. Well, not free, I still have to pay for them, but I get an item whenever I want. Oh. Well, that's no fun. See, things are getting kind of interesting now. Now that I'm later in the game. I'm not gonna fight him up there. He'd kill me. This guy I can kill pretty easily because he can't hit me. Ooh, lots of healing. Yeah, I think this is my most played game on Steam. I think I've a little over, something like 300 hours or something. Actually, let me check. I think I can check. Warframe, Risk of Rain, yeah, 248 hours. And this is basically all it is. It's kind of weird that I think back on it because it's such a simple game with not much to it, but it's just so addicting and you can play it for so long without getting bored of it. Oh, I need crit. And another item. And I need more attack speed. It's cool because it says it's attack speed, but it's also skill use speed. So it makes everything faster. Oh yeah. Alright. Now I want to spread these war banners out so I'm not confined to such a small space. No, I'm an idiot. Wasn't keeping track of my experience. But that's okay. Let's see, I can get more crit or attack speed. Probably get some more movement speed so I can, because bosses, if it's not a Colossus, I'm kind of screwed. Ooh. Ooh, yay. Ooh, what do I want to get? This one. Predatory Instincts is always a great item on anybody. Ooh, 2 items. Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, okay, calm down. Let's see if I can grab one of these. Oh, why didn't I get the Harvester Scythe? I'm dumb. This one heals you per hit, but the Harvester Scythe heals you more per crit. Ooh. I'm not very smart right now. You know what, I'm close to leveling up, so I'm gonna go over here. There we go. As long as I'm shooting, I shouldn't be able to die, right? Right. Okay, more crit. Okay. Now that I'm healing so much, I think I can just kind of... Oops. Okay, back over here. I almost died. That would have been terrible. Another item. Okay. Gonna get that before anything else spawns. Next one, I'm gonna start getting goat hooves, so I run fast. Ooh, there's an item up there too. The only thing I'm really worried about up here is the giant wisp. Or not the wisp, I forget what it's called, the giant fire thing. Okay. Hoof. More hoof. Now I'm a fast boy. Oh, and I leveled up there. That's... well, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, I can... yeah, I killed him. Okay. This shouldn't be too much of a problem now. Ooh, I'm getting items. Come on, give me... yeah! Okay. Oh, that's not fun to look at, but... okay. 3 soldiers' syringes. Ooh, I'm fast. Green? Nope. If I can get, like... oh, overloading magma one. That's not fun. Okay. This isn't going terribly, but it could be going better. If I can get a red box from him, I'll be just dandy. Oh, oh. That was stupid. Come on. No, let me get that. Another one, please. Oh god, is there a second one? I don't think there's a second one. If there is, I'm gonna cry. If I can just get one red box. Okay, a green will be fine. Okay, I need a harvester scythe. Red. Oh my god. This is starting to get tedious. Okay, green, or not green, white, I'm dumb. White. Another goat hoof. I'll probably swap out my use item pretty soon. Getting to the point where chests are actually dropping a decent amount. Okay. As long as I'm in here, I can't really die. Okay. Starting to get annoyed with the white boxes, but I can get this, and then a golden gun, and I'll be just dandy. Ooh, perfect. I'm gonna take care of these guys though. Oh geez, golden gun, there we are. And it's right over the goat hoofs. So that's pretty handy. So yeah, like I said, I could have probably beat this round, like 5 minutes ago if I was really trying to, but you know, I like getting a ton of items and just having fun with it. with some characters you can really abuse the items, like with what's his name? Not Mercenary. Commando. With Commando, if you get just the right items, you can actually fire your fourth move faster than you can fire your auto. And it's not really an auto, it's just basic. You can fire your fourth move faster than you can fire your basic, which is really fun. Okay, Magma Worm's getting pretty close to dying. Okay, cool. Oh, and a second one. Okay. But you know what? The Magma Worm died, so I'm not really too upset over this. It was actually pretty easy to deal with. Give me a red item, please. Oh, oh no. No, no, no. No red items. Syringe, crit. More crit. I should probably get a monster's tooth. Once the difficulty gets all the way up, I'll start moving on, because that way I'll know I can pretty much fight anything, and it won't give me any troubles. Monster's Tooth, there we go. That's going to be super helpful. And I don't want to be up there anymore, that was really bad. I didn't get any items from whatever I killed over here. Huh. Oh, I have a box. Okay. What? Rusty knife. The bleed is always good. And then sticky bombs. Those are fun. Okay. Crowbar. Scarf. Just trying to get as many items as possible. Kind of make it easy on myself. And 1 second, I just got a text. Okay, this guy. Give me more health. I don't know what that does. I can't remember. Okay. That's probably good. Okay. That one's gonna take a while to take care of, that whole area up there. Oh, red item. Okay, I need that real bad. Not that bad though. Okay. If I can just kind of do that. Okay. Okay. I can do this. Getting okay, that's not gonna help. But you know what? These sticky bombs will definitely help me. Okay, I'm killing him a lot faster. Okay, cool. And now I can... Okay, can I take care of these? Oh geez, I can. Come on, sticky bombs. Alright. Oh, that's the wrong item. I panicked. What does that do? I forget. Has a chance to freeze enemies on hit? Yeah, okay. You know what? That's not the worst. Let's hope I get another red box soon. So if I don't, I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm gonna get Lucky Clover. And then... what do I really want? One of these. Just to help me out. See, yeah, crit. I need crit. Nope. Need more attack speed. And more move speed. I'm getting pretty close to being able to move on. That's good. And then more sticky bombs. And then I'm gonna do this. Another magma worm. That's super cool. 2 magma worms, even better. Oh, and the Colossus. 2 Colossuses. Okay. If I can do this, I'm gonna be very proud of myself. But after this, I'll have a pretty good amount of items, so that's okay. I missed everything on that one. Okay. Let's see, I need that. I can barely see the green items. So I'm just gonna go here. And now the game gets easy. Probably a little too easy, but you know what? That's how it be when you stay on the first level until the difficulty is all the way up. You just collect items until then. More of these. I can never have too many items. Oops. There we go. And see how much I level up. Oh, not that much. Okay. Oh. I need another harvester's scythe or something. Let's just find the teleport pad thing. There it is. Oops. Going too fast. Now I'm just going to rush through everything until I get to the correct level, which is the... okay. Okay, this is a little bit tough. Go down. Oh! Okay. Oh, I have a Timekeeper's secret. I'm fine. Oh, I guess not, because... oh, okay. I guess even overloading magma worms can kill you even when time is stopped. Well, I think I'm gonna end it right there, because I don't feel like going back and being slow. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.